Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Monday, so we are going to be doing our mini challenges. We have 8 challenges, all from different budgeters here on YouTube, and of course I will shout them out. I will link all their stuff down below. So we are hopefully going to be finishing some challenges. That is the goal for today. We have $20, $40, and $60. $60 to spread within 8 challenges. So hopefully we are going to be doing the spin the wheel. We're not going to be doing the die today. I decided to change it up a little bit. Again, I'm trying to change it up every so often just to keep it a little bit more interesting. So we are going to be doing the spin the wheel, but before we get started, I do have a couple of things that I want to show you guys. So I do have some happy mail. So this is from Nikki's Financial Freedom Journey. She is on YouTube, she is on Etsy, Instagram, but she has recently changed her name to Castello's Creations. If you have noticed that change, I will link her stuff down below, but she's awesome. I love the name change. I'm not sure if she wanted me to tell her story or not and how she came up with that, but she told me, and I'm pretty sure she will tell you guys off of her channel of why she changed it and what Castello Creations means. But I absolutely love it. She is the best. Now, let's see. She came out with some new products and I decided that I was going to go and buy some things. Now, the first couple of things are some freebies. I got some stickers, which are super cute. Absolutely love them. I always add stickers to my orders as well. Then it says, "Hey bestie, your support is endless, so I added some extra goodies as a thank you. I love you so much, Nikki." Thank you so much. And I absolutely love this card. This card is super cool. Ray Dunn. I love Ray Dunn. So that is super cool. Thank you. And let's see, she gave me another thank you card. So what she gave me, this is the one that I actually purchased, and this is the cupcake little scratch off. I thought it was super cute. It's very, very inexpensive. All of her creations, she is working really hard to create some stuff off of Canva, and I'm super proud of her. So I got this cupcake one. She does have different designs, and I thought this was super cute. These are some of the freebies. So this one is the Husky. I actually have the Corgi one. It is the Save $66. This is one of her creations from last year during Halloween. And then she also did the Save Mario's Age, $2 to $6. And this is one of her creations from last year as well. And then this one is the Mystery Scratch and Save. Super cute, very simple, very simple, very cute, and I absolutely love it. So thank you so much, Nikki. And then also I did buy one of her digital downloads. She has a ton of digital downloads, you guys. So this is the next one that I got, and it's the spring challenges. This is for the smaller envelopes, the A6 envelopes, and it's save 60, save 120, and save $225. This is going to go towards my mini challenges whenever I finish them. Those will be available for me whenever I switch them out. And then last but not least, I actually printed out some freebie challenges. It is the Two Sister Bees. I printed out just a couple of them. I printed out the Wordle Savings Challenge. I have seen her do this one on her channel a lot, and I really thought this was cool. This is the 25-cent one. This is the cheaper one. I should have actually looked at the denominations. She has 2 of them, and I think the other one that I didn't print out has the one that she's actually playing. But I can always just change the number on this. But yeah, so that is super cute. And then I also got the Emergency Bee. Color a honeycomb and put away $10. When completed, you'll save $1,000. I might change this to another amount, but we'll see. I thought this was cute as well. I've seen a couple of other of her freebies, but I actually have to wait until I have enough ink because I'm getting low on the color ink. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it. Oh, and of course, I have a lot of announcements. I actually just went live on a couple of digitals, and I actually want to show you guys. So this is my Etsy shop. I actually printed out one of them that I will show you. So the first one is this Lucky to Save. So the first one is a roll and save. So you literally roll a die and then save that amount. And then this one, there's another one that is Lucky to Save, which is $50. You save $50 and you save $5 on each. So it's 5, 10, 50, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then 50. This one is $2.50, and this is a printable one. I did have to go up on my digitals. I haven't went up on my scratch offs yet. Etsy fees are crazy, you guys, so I have to make a profit somehow. So I did go up on my digitals just a little bit. I think I just went up maybe 50 cents, to be honest. And then the next one that I created, which I thought was super cute, this is kind of like the rendition of my, what is it, my savings challenge, my rainy day challenge that I have a full sheet of. So this challenge and the Lucky to Save challenge is actually a A5 challenge. So it's the bigger envelopes that you can save. I'm trying to see if I can find the one that I have on my Etsy. So this is the one that I currently use right now. So then I just made a smaller version with rain clouds. So the rainy day fun, so you each have some clouds and you have some raindrops. Each cloud is $5, and then the teardrops are $2. And then the next one is, it's blank, so you can decide how much money you would like to save. You can save $1 for the clouds, or $1 for the raindrops, or you can do $10 for the clouds, $5 for the raindrops. So you can make it any creations that you would like. I'm trying to see where the details are, but I can't find them. Because I did have the total of this one, and I don't remember how much the total is. I think it was 5, 10, 50, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I think it was $110 to be, if I'm not mistaken, it's $110 is after you finish this one. But yeah, so those are the two items that I have went live with on Sunday. So go ahead and get those orders in, because I'm super proud of them. I am going to be coming out with some more. So this is pretty much related to like March. The rainy day fun is kind of related to April, because it does, rain in April. So I think for May, I'm going to do some flowers, but we'll all see. Anyways, so that is it for the updates, and let's go ahead. This is a very long video, so let's go ahead and roll to see what we are going to be stuffing right now. So number 4 is right here, and it still needs $5, 10, 15, $20. So I think we should go ahead and, do 20? No, let's just do $10. We'll go ahead and just do $10 for right now, and if we land on it again, then it's just going to be fate, and we'll have to just finish it. Okay, so we're going to put a $20 right there. And then the next one, sorry, I do have it propped up on the other side, but the next one is going to be number 8. So number 8 is this one, and we are going to do, I don't have much change, so we are going to do the $5. Yep, we're gonna just do $5 right here. So we'll put $10. The next one, which we have $45 left. Let's see, it is going to be number 2, which is the one that I really wanted to complete. So this one only needs $19, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, well, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we just need 19 more dollars, and we are actually going to take $1 away, put a 20, so we'll have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So $48, 20, 40, 45, 4, 6, 4, 7, 48. So $48, and this one is complete. And I'm actually going to do this really quick. I'm not going to speed up the video because, let's be honest, I'm still not the greatest at editing. I'm not sure what I should do. I film on my phone and then I edit on an app, but I really want to like upload it on my computer and then edit like that. But yeah, so we are officially done with the New Year's one, and we are actually going to go ahead and put Valentine's Day one, and this is from Jessie C Budgets, and this one is actually from Cute Budgets that I've just did, and then this one is also from Jessie C Envelopes. Okay, so the next number that we are going to be putting is number 5, which is right here from Ellie on Earth, and we are going to do, and see, I don't have change for a lot of these. Let's see. Let's do, let's do 6. We'll do 6 because I don't have change. So we're gonna do $6 for this one, which is good. I kind of want to roll the 1 so I can complete that one, but we'll see what Spin the Wheel has for us. I'm just going to show you guys that I'm actually going to be doing this, and it is number 5 again, and I don't have enough money, so we're just going to roll one more time, and if I have to, I will get some. Number 2, which we just did, so we can't have change. I'm actually going to get it from my sinking fund binder. I'm going to get some change out. Let's see. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20. Okay, so we have change now. So this one is the new challenge, and each heart I'm going to just do $1. So we are actually going to put $2 in here to make it work. Okay. Next is going to be number 4, which is this one. So number 4 again. So since we do have change, we're going to go ahead and do another. Actually, you know what, you guys, let's just go ahead and finish it. And we have officially completed 2 challenges today, which is very exciting. I'm so excited. So this challenge was worth 20 and 30. The next challenge that we are going to be putting up there is another one from Cute Budgets, and it is the Alice in Wonderland one. So that's going to be fun. So we completed 2. I'm so excited. So the next one is number 8 again. And we are going to be doing, let's see, we're going to do another, we're going to do $3 this time. And we are actually almost done with this one as well, which is very exciting. Okay, so we only have $5, so this could possibly be our last roll, and it is going to be number 5. Number 5, and I don't have, oh, I do have ones. Let's see. So we will put a 5 in and take $1 out, and we will do a 4. So that is fun. And then last but not least, we only have $1. So we're going to we're going to go ahead and put it in the cafe one to show some love. And this one is from the Humble Budgeter. So that is it, you guys. So we stuffed $60 and we completed 2 challenges. We completed the Valentine's Day and then the Bell one. We didn't give love to the Happy New Year's or the Ravenclaw or the breakfast. So that's really sad, but it's totally fine. So let's see how much we have, since we did not have anything in here, we still have $6 left for this one. Let's see, Valentine's Day. So the New Year's, we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, $48 that we just completed. Valentine's Day has $1 and $2. Ravens did not get anything right now, which is sad, but hopefully we can do it next week. The next one is that we completed the Beauty and the Beast, and we did not stuff anything else for the Alice in Wonderland one. So Beauty and the Beast was completed with $30. I don't know why I'm stuffing these envelopes while I talk. Maybe I should not do that, because then this video will be very long. All right, so the one with Ellie on Earth, we have currently 20, 25, and 30. So we have $30 right now for that challenge. Breakfast did not get anything, so we only have $10 in there so far. And this is from Snap Pea Savings on Instagram. And then the cafe, we put in $1. So we currently have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So $11 for the cafe, which is awesome. And then last but not least, we added a 5 and the 3. So we have 20, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So $33 out of $48. So hopefully we will complete this soon. I'm just so excited that we completed 2 challenges, you guys. That is so exciting. It's just going to keep building onto my photo album. So we are up to 4 challenges done. And I am so excited about that. So this one is a lot easier to put in. I might get change for, well, I don't think I can get change on that one. So that is totally fine. Oh, put this backwards. So let's do it this way so it'll look nicer. All right, you guys, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me on this Monday. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week this week. It is Mardi Gras week here down in Alabama. It's going to be a slow week at work. Well, for the first 2 days, it's going to be slow. And I am just excited. But anyways, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Tuesday. Don't forget to check out all the channels that I shouted out, and don't forget to go and check out my Etsy shop. That will be at the end of the video and also in the description as always. I love you guys and thank you guys so much. Bye.